Hello. We're back in the car. It's like it's the same shit, different day. So my husband is at his friend's house watching football. Today is October 30th. I am running errands. So tomorrow for Halloween, we're actually going over to a friend's house to help them hand out candy and watch the Bengals game. I want to attempt to make pumpkin-shaped Rice Krispie treats. Yeah, so we'll see how that goes. I just think it'll be a nice little treat for everybody. On top of, all the candy for the kids, I'm just helping with, the sugar highs. So they'll crash harder, you know what I mean? So they'll go to bed earlier. So I'm heading to the grocery store. Probably need to do that last. So I do want to head to my normal stores. I feel like this is like the same vlog as last time, but this time I'm attempting to get some Christmas decor, because if you remember and you watch my last video, I miserably failed at finding several things that I wanted for my fall decor in my house because I waited too late. So this is the first year ever I am looking at Christmas decor before Halloween. I hate it. I like one holiday at a time. So for me, this is way out of this is not my thing. I'm not usually this early for Christmas, but I have learned if you aren't early, then you ain't getting shit. So I'm gonna go look at some Christmas decor, need to go to the grocery store, make my Rice Krispie treats, and I don't know what else I'm gonna do, but I feel like I should watch a Halloween movie, light a candle, and eat ice cream on the couch. That is how I'm feeling. So I won't talk your head off for 5 minutes like I did in my last vlog in the car. So let's go get a Dunkin' and go to Home Goods. So I just went and put all my stuff in my car from Home Goods, which I did a lot of damage. And now TJ Maxx is next door. And then I still have to go to Target. Oh my God, pray for my bank account, y'all. Okay, you guys, I clearly did some damage at TJ Maxx and Home Goods. And now off to Target, holy moly. Okay, so I just got back in my car after leaving Target, and I actually got out of there without spending anything because there wasn't anything that I was really interested in. And the one thing that I was interested in was like this little gold nutcracker from the Studio McGee Threshold line. And it was like $25, and I'm like, absolutely not. I feel like you could go buy a, I don't know, a nutcracker at a craft store, maybe like Hobby Lobby or Michael's or something, and spray paint that gold for much cheaper, which, you know what, I might do. Come on, lady. Come on. There you go. You were there first. So that was like the only thing. And of course the pillows, but I swear I bought Christmas pillows last year. So I need to go back through my Christmas decor. I did donate a lot and a ton of fall and Christmas decor last year that just didn't go with the new house. It just didn't flow. It didn't work. It didn't, my taste has changed since having the decor at the old house. So I know I bought a lot of stuff last year. So I need to go back through that. But I did do some damage today with Christmas decor, which is crazy for me. But I know I will be so happy in a month when I decorate for Christmas. Or I guess in the YouTube world, I'll probably start decorating for Christmas before Thanksgiving, so I can get a video out for you guys. I might do a haul video of everything I got today, but I'm gonna be so happy next month when I got all this stuff and got it all before it was out of stock. Now it's raining. What a creepy day. I like days like this. It's a Sunday, just kind of doing my own thing and don't have to do anywhere, be anywhere, see anybody. Love it. Now I'm headed to the grocery store. I was just told I need to make macaroni and cheese too. So I'm gonna make macaroni and cheese, and I want to put it in my new Dutch oven that I got. I'll have to show you guys when I get home. I've been wanting this Dutch oven for probably over a month. It's the white pumpkin. I'll just show you when I get home. But I splurged on it today because it was the only one I saw. And I'm like, if I don't get it now, I'm never going to get it. So off to the grocery store and then finally get home. I'm ready to get home. All right, I just got home and put all my stuff away. Actually, I left all my goodies, my Christmas stuff out in the car. Brought in all the groceries. And I want to show you one thing I bought today from TJ Maxx. It's not Christmas related, but I've been wanting this so long. I was mentioning it in the car, and this is it. It's this beautiful pumpkin cast iron Dutch oven. I am just obsessed with it. It's 4 quarts. If you've been to TJ Maxx in the past, I would say 6 to 8 weeks. You've probably seen these all over the place. But I never pulled the trigger. And this was one of the only one. Actually, this is the only one I saw at TJ Maxx. And I was like, you know what? I might be hosting Thanksgiving this year. I am getting it. So here it is in all her gorgeous beauty. I love it. And I think I'm going to put the macaroni and cheese that I'm going to make in this for tomorrow at my friend's house. But it is just absolutely stunning, and a dupe for the Williams-Sonoma one for, oh my gosh, the cost difference is amazing. My oven is ready. $40 for this. That's it. And it is beautiful. Okay, so here are all the little pumpkins. I started to put the tops on and use, where'd it go? The green. I got this green icing to make like the little vine on it. I got this idea actually from the Rice Krispie box here on the bottom. Because I could not find any airheads, just like green airheads. And that's actually a cute little idea too with the top. It almost looks like a caramel or a chocolate or something. But I also got these pretzel rods that's supposed to be used for the top. So we'll see. I don't know. Moving on to this, I realized I used too much cheese. That was fail number 1. Fail number 2, I over-salted it. I don't know how. Don't ask me. I don't know. I don't know what I did. But, yeah, so this might be a complete and total fail. Go me. Okay, so here's the final result. Sorry, my TV is a little loud. I'm watching Halloween in the back. This was not the easiest to work with, and I wouldn't get the gel type. I mean, it turned out okay, but there's probably better options than what I picked. But overall, it is so cute. They look like pumpkins, right? I hope so. And I think everybody will like them tomorrow, so I just love them. They're so cute. Okay, Chris, so what do you think of my Dutch oven? Oh my God, there's a chip in it. I just now seen a chip in it.
Oh.
Son of a
Return
bitch. Anyway, what do you think of it other than the damn chip?
I feel like you can't get over the chip now. I just see the chip.
Come on.
I see the chip.
What do you really think? I know. Let's forget about the chip.
Chip. Very pretty.
Thank you. Okay, so what I did was over-salt it. I want to see if you think it's...
It's a lot of macaroni.
I know.
I think it's right.
You aren't going to hurt my feelings. You can be honest with me.
I mean, I did eat a lot of hot, spicy stuff, so maybe my taste buds are a little diluted, but... I think it's really good.
You are so sweet. What do you think of my little pumpkin Rice Krispie treats? I know, babe. Damn it.
What kind of discount did we get on the chip?
Nothing. I just seen it. What do you think of these?
Very cute.
Thank you.
I have some appliance paint we can put on this.
For real?
Yeah.
Oh, I love you. I don't know why this lighting doesn't look good. So, a lot of cooking today, a lot of shopping today.
I was not a part of that.
Yeah. Well,
I'm just eating.
You're just eating. But I think that's gonna wrap. Wrap up today's video. Thanks for coming along with me. Expect I might do like a Christmas haul video, and then obviously do a Christmas decorate with me. But I don't know. This lighting kind of sucks, don't it?
Dinner.
Leftovers.
Say amen.
Say amen. But thanks for watching. Thanks for joining. Subscribe. All that good stuff. And I will see you on my next one. Bye.